Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today it's all about fudge. We're going to make fudge, and for me it'll be the first time ever. So we're going to use the recipe off the back of the Jet Puff Marshmallow Cream. We'll show you. There it is, Fantasy Fudge. Okay, folks. Sissy's getting the thermometer ready to go. And we're gonna get started. Evaporated milk, butter, and sugar. We've put butter. What all we put in there?
Evaporated
Sugar,
milk.
Evaporated milk.
Butter, three sticks of butter, and 6 cups of sugar. And we need to stir it till it comes to rolling boil. It's coming to a boil, and we want to, I'm gonna turn it down just a hair and let it boil for either 4 minutes or up when it gets to 234 on the candy thermometer. So right now we're gonna add our marshmallow cream and our chocolate. And we're gonna stir it until it's melted. Okay. Now the chocolate. We just dump it all in and we will stir. So we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla and then the 2 cups of chopped up walnuts. That looks beautiful, Val.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. All right, put them in. Oh, I'll do it.
And that's 2 cups of walnuts chopped.
We chose to chop them by hand versus the nut chopper because I wanted the walnuts just a little bit bigger than they turn out like the nut chopper.
Beautiful.
About ready to go to the sheet.
And what we did was create handles on each side with the tin foil. Some people say aluminum foil, we call it tin foil. So we'll spread that out. That looks beautiful, Val.
Right.
And let it set.
Some people say sometimes it doesn't turn out, but I don't really know what they're talking about.
Well, we've never made it before.
So hopefully it's what we want. So now we'll spread it around.
Oh, Valerie, that looks
Vicky,
beautiful.
we did it.
We did it. Awesome.
Oh, look at that.
That looks thick. I'm gonna make
Gosh,
you
that
cook.
was-
I'm gonna make you stir the next batch.
This was
My
only
arms.
one batch.
I know.
We were gonna do 2 in these big ones.
I know. We
I don't
need
think
to.
so.
Yeah.
So I think we'll be fine on the ingredients.
Oh, Valerie, that is
Wow.
beautiful. So now we're gonna let this sit. I don't know how long. I think like 4 hours, maybe. Let
I
it
think
cool
so.
completely, and then we'll cut
We'll
it
cut
up.
it tomorrow.
That's a good thought.
And
We'll
we'll
do that.
just, because we're going to make a couple more. Okay, folks. Today, I'm going to finish up our fudge. Yesterday, we made the fudge. put it in the pans, and today we need to cut it. So for our fudge, after weeks of looking on the internet to see what we wanted to put our chocolate or our fudge in, we decided on Christmas plates. These are the small ones for tomorrow. But we also have these bigger plates, which we thought we would put our fudge on, and this will be our Christmas presents for this year to our family. My grandma and my great aunt Mina always made us fudge every year for Christmas. So Vicki and I have decided that for our families this year, they're getting fudge, just like what Grandma used to give. So I want to use these plates, and we need to cut the fudge up now that it's all ready. It's sat overnight. So we made 3 of these yesterday. Put them in the ovens to dry. And the reason why we put them on the ovens to dry, or in the ovens to dry, is because of Ruger. There is our wonderful counter surfer who will eat anything and everything that is left on the counter. Well, okay, so the whole idea behind putting this tinfoil underneath is so that we can lift it out of the pan and cut it. Okay, so we don't want to cut big pieces. We tried some of this fudge last night, and oh my goodness, was it ever good. I hope it's set up enough to cut. And I need to try to be as straight as possible. So, what do you think? Now we're going to start putting it on a plate. Looks like it's pretty good and set up. So, do you think this looks good enough for a Christmas present? It's only like 9:30 in the morning, so I don't want to eat a whole big piece, so we'll try another. So we'll try this piece. Nice big walnuts. Oh, that tastes like fudge Aunt Mine and Grandma used to make.